Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. My name is Vlad Sarser and I'm your mortgage broker and loan officer. Today we're going to talk about how to create a new credit history, brand new credit history, fresh start. So how do you create a new credit history? All right, let's hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to create the new credit history. I'm going to give you 3 proven, effective, my favorite ways of getting your credit history up and going in less than 6 months. Okay, so number 1, the quickest and the easiest way to build your credit and to start your credit history is to become a signer on someone else's card. So in other words, what you want to do is you want to call your relative or your friend or your family member who has a great score or a good score, and you're going to ask them to become a signer on their card. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you tell them that you're not going to use the card. You're not going to use the card. All you want to do is become a signer. And what's going to happen is your credit is going to piggyback on their credit. And that's going to boost your score. I've seen as high as up to 100 points. So that is one of the easiest and the quickest way to get your score up and going. All right, you just want to make sure when you call them, you tell them that you're not going to use their card. All you want to do is become a signer. Okay, so number 2. Number 2 is you can get a secured credit card. What is a secured credit card? It's simply a credit card that is secured by your initial deposit. So for example, you can go to the bank and ask them for a secured credit card. What's going to happen is they're going to ask you for at least a minimum of $200. They're going to keep it in your account, and then they're going to issue a regular credit card that is going to be secured by the $200 that you just given them. And you can use that card just like a regular credit card for purchases or anything else. And after 6 months, you can actually go back to the bank and ask for a normal credit card, and they will return your deposit of $200 as long as you've been making payments regularly and monthly. So that's what the secured card is. Now, there are other companies that give you the secured credit cards, such as Discover and Open Sky, and they charge no annual fees. So those are 2 cards that I definitely recommend to try to get your credit history going. You can also go to your bank or your credit union and request a secured credit card to get started. Okay, so number 3. Number 3 is not the most known or used method, and it is all about utility bills. So if you have utility bills, if you have electricity bills, if you have water bills, if you have telephone bills, these companies, they don't report to the credit bureaus when you make payments to them. But if you call them and ask them, they will start reporting to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, these 3 credit bureaus. And all you got to do is call them and ask them to report your payments to the credit bureaus. That should also help you boost your credit score. All right, so we have 3 methods. 1, become a signer. 2, get a secured credit card. And 3, ask your utility companies to report your payments to the credit bureaus. If you do all these 3 together, I can guarantee you in 6 months, you're gonna have a really nice credit score. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna be very happy with it. Alright guys, if you liked this video, hit the like button. If you think it was helpful, make sure to subscribe. You can always reach me by phone, text, or email, which is right below this video. You can go to our website, alianzainc.net, for more information. You guys have a great day, and I will see you later.